This is the Taotronics tri-band mesh router system. It's a set of 3 mesh routers that all work together to expand your home Wi-Fi network. So in this video, I'm going to show you what you get in the box and also go over the specs of the system itself. But firstly, who would need a system like this? Well, quite simply, anyone that has problems with their Wi-Fi at home and needs to expand it to get a stronger signal. A huge thanks to Taotronics for sending this out to me. So let's unbox this a little bit differently. I'm going to do it standing. Inside, a little information pack. You've got 3 of these little boxes with the power supplies in them. Then you've got this little box here, which looks like an Ethernet cable. And lastly, inside of the box are the 3 mesh routers themselves. So there we are. That's what that one looks like there. Turning it around, you've got a WAN port there, as well as 3 Lan Ports, 12-volt power there, and a USB 3.0 port. Now, each one of the mesh routers comes with a WAN port and 3 Lan Ports. So that means that you can potentially either mesh these together or use it for 3 separate internet connections. How about that? 1 second, have you subscribed to this channel? Because if you haven't, then make sure you do, because I've got other things coming in the future that I'm sure you'll love. When it comes to speed, that's where these things really kill it. So they operate on AC3000, which is 3 gigabits per second, or I should say up to 3 gigabits per second. They operate on a tri-band Wi-Fi system, so it either works at 2.4 gigahertz, 5 gigahertz, or 5.8 gigahertz. So if you've got a lot of devices on the 2.4 gigahertz network, you can jump that up to the 5 or the 5.8 gigahertz. Now, one thing to note here is that you can get 4 different versions of the mesh system, and they are the different power supply systems. So that's either the US, Japan, the UK, or EU. And another great thing about this system is that you can connect up to 200 devices to this mesh network. So if you're a family and you've got a lot of different iPads and phones and so forth, then this shouldn't be a problem for this mesh Wi-Fi system. Now, if you're looking to grab one of these for yourself, then there will be a link down in the description below. I just want to say a huge thanks to all my followers that have followed me across the years, and thanks for supporting me and coming back.